Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files and folders using the Dropbox Desktop app. This method is simple, fast, and works just like managing files on your computer. So let's get started. First, make sure the Dropbox Desktop app is installed on your computer. Once you've installed it, open the app and sign in using your Dropbox account details. Enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, Dropbox will set up everything automatically in the background. After signing in, Dropbox creates a special folder on your computer. If you're using Windows, you'll find it inside File Explorer. If you're on a Mac, it will appear inside Finder. This folder is labeled Dropbox, and it behaves just like any other normal folder on your system. Now, let's upload some files. To add files or folders, simply drag and drop them into the Dropbox folder. You can also right-click, copy the files, and paste them directly into the Dropbox folder. Dropbox immediately recognizes anything you place here and begins uploading it to your cloud storage. As the upload begins, you'll notice small icons next to your files. A blue rotating icon means the file is syncing. This means it's currently being uploaded. Once Dropbox finishes uploading, the icon changes to a green checkmark. This shows that the file is fully synced and safely stored online. To make sure everything uploaded correctly, open your browser and go to the Dropbox website. Or check the Dropbox mobile app. You'll see the same files and folders available in your account. They are now ready to access from any device. Similarly to upload file or folder using the Dropbox web version, click on the Upload button on the top right side. There are three options. You can upload file, folder, or you can connect Google Drive to upload files from there. Once selected, browse for the file and click Open. A small pop-up windows appear, showing the upload progress. Once done, you can see the file in the Dropbox files list. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your files and folders using the web and the Dropbox desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.